Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have done a little bit of a desk space reset, putting away some supplies that I had pulled and just tidied up a little bit around my desk here. And I am getting ready to probably, I'm thinking making some foundation pages or base pages with this collection, The Heart of Home. I've had this paper pad. I don't even know how to read these old, is that what that means? That I've had it since 2019? That sounds about right, because that is when it even says FL. I might have gotten this when I was in Florida. Okay. So anyway, so I'm going to be putting some paper kits together. I have this paper pad. I'm going to show you what I have. I have the 6x6 paper pad. I have some sticker sheets. Are they even for the same collection? I don't even know. I think they are. I don't know that I necessarily got them on the same trip, but I have those. If I can get these open, I have these as well. So those are my 6x12 stickers. I've played with this collection before, so I do have some scraps. They're sitting off to the side. This is from a collection called The Avenue, but they're pretty neutral in that they're black and white. I don't even think I bought this. I think somebody left this at a swap table. I have taken a sample of the washi tapes that came with this collection, or that I bought as part of this collection, and here are the different die cuts. They're sitting in this little bin right now. I will probably end up pulling some additional Jen Hadfield die cuts, because I do have them separated, but especially if I can't find what I'm looking for here. So I have that. And let me show you some of the papers that I have selected. Okay, these are the ones I'm going to use as backgrounds. So I thought it would be a little easier for me to start this way. That I could use, I may not use this tree, but you'll see how I can use that as a frame there. So I have this one. I have this one, which I can do the exact same thing, just for that pop of gray. Obviously the branding strips, these strips from the paper pad will be gone. But I thought I could do that with this. This I actually think I can actually use as a background. This as a secondary. You'll see the other background I have pulled into my kit, and then this is just another background that I can have handy. And then, oh, what's this? And so these are the papers I have selected. Now, I don't know just yet how I'm going to do these, but I've selected those. So you already saw this one, so let me just flip them. I think that'll be the easiest. This is another one. I've taken out it has 2 designs of each paper, so I've gone ahead and I've taken out the 3 cut aparts. That's 1. This is 2. And this is 3. This is another paper. I have pulled this as well. This one in craft. This pink one. I actually pulled both of the pink papers. I pulled this one originally, but then I remembered I liked the smaller ratio of this floral paper, so I did end up pulling that from the 6x6 paper pad. This, I believe, is also in the 6x6 paper pad. The paper pad has different designs, I've noticed. See, that one I don't have. Those foiled ones. This one I don't have in the big paper pad. That's not in the big paper pad. That's not either. Oh, maybe it's not this particular one. Nope. This says 18 designs, but there's 36 papers. So, okay. Tangent. And then we have this beautiful blue one in the 6x6 paper pad. It is foiled right here. So I can always use a smaller scale if I still want that pop of blue. So this is my paper selection. These are my backgrounds, papers. And then here's what else I'm pulling in. I have my favorite textured cardstock. This is by American Crafts. And I have a whole lot of, I just pulled my entire, I was going to say my entire bin. It's not even a bin. My entire container. Let me just, so that you guys know what's in here. And so that I know what's in here, more importantly. I'm going to turn these around. Because this is how they're sitting on my shelf. And I don't always know. I mean, it's labeled. But, ooh, uh-oh. Okay, here we go. And I have pulled in some, this is all of my wood grain that sits on my shelf together. It's in one of these crapper hopper containers or whatever. Sorry, I think I just shook the camera. I don't know. Oh, I might have hit that. So this is my wood grain. So I'm going to start making some page kits and paper kits, not page kits, paper kits. And I'm going to start to try to work on some layout. So I will come back and show you just about how many layouts I can get with the papers that I've selected. Again, I do have access to the rest of the paper pad. It's off sitting to the side, as well as the 6x6 paper pad, to be able to make some additional base pages or foundation pages. So bear with me and I will be back to show you what I'm able to create. Hey guys, just popping in here to, I've started to work with my kit and do some of the paper selections, but I thought I would pop in here because I was having, like, I think as I was kind of looking through things, I started to remember that I had the sticker book for not this collection, but for Jen Hadfield. This is the sticker book for, it says the homemade collection here. Oh, And I know this is not homemade, right? I didn't think that was the name of this collection. Let me just take a look. It's Heart and Home. But this is the Jen Hadfield sticker book. And I have this here, the cut aparts, just because I was pulling embellishments and I just needed a quick reference to the colors in this collection. So I think I'm going to be able to just put this in my kit and use as I see fit. This will work. There are some embellishments from this collection like that. These, a ton more labels, and just some additional embellishment. So this is definitely going in here. I have my handy dandy pouch of, it's a representation of the doilies that I have in my drawer. So I like to have this handy as well. And then I ended up pulling, I don't know if you guys have like a drawer where you keep embellishments, or you keep a section of your craft room where you kind of have embellishments that you're like, okay, like I'm going to give them like one last try. And if I don't use them up by a certain time frame, they're gone. So this is one of them. I do love these. I've had a couple of different sheets of this. This is an old Heidi swap collection that they used to sell at Michael's. I do like this. So there are some elements, I think mostly the pinks that I can pull from here and might be able to use. This is another Heidi swap. Let me just flip this over. Another Heidi swap that I may be able to pull from. This has the light pinks, the black. This doesn't have a lot of gold, but I can bring gold in if I need to. This is an old Project Life chipboard. So I'm thinking of actually getting rid. I don't use these kind of days of the week, but I do use these geotags and these circles. So I may just either take them off or just kind of cut around them, if you will. I have those that I'm pulling in. I don't use the days of the week, so those I can put in my swap table stuff. This is an old My Mind's Eye chipboard that I had with the papers. I didn't use except for one. Yep, I was thinking maybe it was in the back. It does have some of the green, so I'm going to try to pull those, some of these in. I don't use this, so I'm going to toss it into the swap bin. This is another Project Life. Sorry for if you're seeing a lot of glare. And we'd be able to use some of these black and white elements. Even this kind of light, this very like light green I might be able to use. And these white tags, you never know. And that may be it for that one. This is a black and white. This is also Heidi Swap. Yep, Heidi Swap. You'll be able to use some of those numbers. And then this, I think this is Hobby Lobby. They weren't like this. They were all like mixed up elements. But I think I might be able to use some of these black puffies here. And maybe some of the whites. I don't know. We'll see. We'll leave those with the kit. And then I remembered that I also have these Jen Hadfield Ephemera Packs. So I'm going to take these. I have found it really helpful since I switched over to my notebook die cut notebooks. I do have a die cut binder. These are by collection, just of what I have the most of. This particular one right now is all pink paisley. So I have really been enjoying making my kits and pulling the die cuts into my notebooks. this particular one has all of my pink paisley, and I have quite a bit of it in here. And I don't know exactly where I'm going to start the Jen Hadfield. I was thinking about maybe starting the halfway point, but I may not want to waste all of these papers. I can always move them later if I need to. But I need to, I do have a Jen Hadfield iris container, so I can go through these and just kind of pull out what I think I might need to pull into this kit. But then maybe I can look through these a little bit closer just to see what I have in here. Maybe I can pull all of these like acetates all together. You know what I mean? Just trying to organize them as they're going in here so that it makes it easier for me, just taking a look at the way that I scrap. So that's it for now. I will come back and I will show you what I come up with. And we'll take it from there. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to start, but I may just start making some base pages, and then maybe once I'm done with those, I can go ahead and I can pull some photos. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.